You have been judged guilty of turning your heels on the face of the old gods. Your sorcery ends here. Ends tonight.
When you were a child, you sat, as all children sit, at the right hand of mercy. As a man, that hand wears an iron glove. You wear the hard winds of many battles on your brow. The time we have here is a luxury, General. To waste it for the sword makes you a slave.
I am a slave to no man.
No, you're a slave to many. All who've gone before you stumbled in their stupor for blood and riches, fame and accolades. The thirst makes you hollow.
This is no common pillage. No campaign of dominion. The supplicants at the foot of this tower have been released from your malignancy. Paradise will see them pure in heart.
Your footsteps of the righteous man are nothing of the kind. The salvation you see for those you put in chains, it is hollow.